Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. And I wish you all a very good and bright morning. Dear students, today we are about to start letter writing. And in that, we will be doing the informal letter. In informal letter writing, we'll be knowing how to write an informal letter. First of all, let us just know what is a letter. So, students, a letter is an important method of communicating with someone who lives far away, right? Earlier, letters were the means of long distance communication. But these days, we do not write a lot of letters. But it is still important to learn how to write a good letter. No, now, to first of all, we will be learning to whom do we write informal letters. So, informal letter is written to someone that you know, such as pen pals, friends, family members, and relatives. Right? So, let me just tell you there are two kind of letters, informal and formal. We'll be learning the informal letter, right? So, as I've just told you that informal letters are written to your near and dear ones, right? Who are your family friends or family members and relatives, right? Now, we'll be learning why do we write informal letter. Let's just read some of the key points. So, asking for or giving advice. We can write informal letter for asking or giving advice, asking for or giving information. We can write informal letter to share some kind of information or for asking also. Asking for or giving opinion or suggestion, inviting somebody for an occasion. So you can invite somebody for any kind of occasion. It can be your birthday, marriage, etc. Accepting or delaying the invitation. You can write a letter for accepting or you can write a letter for delaying the invitation. Congratulating somebody. So we can also write informal letter to our friends, relatives, or our family members for the for congratulating on any occasion. Now expressing condolence. So we can also write letter for expressing condolence. Okay, now, apologizing for something. So, if you want to apologize for something, if you're feeling sorry for something, you can write informal letter, right? So, these were the key points. Why do we write informal letter? Now, let's just learn the format of the letter, which is the most important thing, right? So, format is of 4 marks. So, if you will learn the format, it is it is going to help you, right? So in the format, what do we write? First of all, we write sender's address. So sender's address is you who are writing the letter, right? You are the sender. So after sender's letter, we'll leave one line, then we will write date. On the date you're writing the letter, and the format of date should be like this: 2 October 2020 or 21, right? You will not write like that 2/10/20. That's wrong, right? Then after date we'll leave one line, then we will write the salutations. Salutation can be any kind of greeting like dear Priya, dear ma'am, dear sir, dear friend, right? But we are writing that informal letter, so we'll write dear mama or dear auntie, uncle, friend, right? So you will write salutation like that. Then comes the main body. So in main body there are three things to be, you should just give it a try. Like you should your main body should contain these three things: introduction, content, and conclusion. Yes. So introduction part, you will write how are you, or you can also write the purpose of your letters, that why are you writing this letter, right? And I received your letter. You can also write like this. If you want to say, if you want to answer the question of that letter, you can say like this: I received your letter. Yes. So that is the introduction part. So content is the, content will be whatever you want to write. That will be the content. Okay, so now lastly, concluding. So conclusion is very important thing. Like, you should conclude your letter like, I'm really happy that you gave me such a wonderful or thoughtful gift, or I'll be very grateful if you'll come, like this. So that is the concluding, right? And the last part, we write subscription. Subscription is also known as closing phrase. Yes, so in this you can also write closing phrase like, your dear friend, your dear papa, your dear mama, anything. Okay? The one who is writing the letter. Your lovingly, affectionately, loving son, loving daughter, loving friend, anything you can write. And the last name will be again the sender's name, right? You will write your name first, you will write your address, and at the last you will write your name, right? So this was very simple. This was the format of the letter. Now, dear students, let's just take up one of the examples so that you can understand this, how to write informal letter in better way. So now let's just get going. So this is the question: write a letter to a friend inviting him to accompany you on a trip to Jim Corbett National Park. So this is a letter, right? You have to write a letter to invite your friend for a trip, okay, to Jim National Park, which is in Uttarakhand, Ramnagar. Okay, so how will you write? First of all, you will write the date. No, sorry. First of all, you will, what will we write? Sender's address. Your address will be there at first. Like, he has written H163 Sarvodaya Enclave, Gurugram, and he has written his pin number, right? Pin code. Then he has written the date, and then after date he has leave one line, and he has written dear Amit, then comma, and then he has started the letter. This is the introduction part. I hope all is well with you. My school is closing for summer vacations from 15th May. Father has made plans to visit Jim Corbett National Park. I would like to invite you to come with us. The trip will be of 3 days and 4 nights. It will be fun to ride in an open gym jeep in the jungles and watch wild animals in their natural habitat. We will also get a chance to spend some time together after all this while. I also have a new board game which we could play in the evening. Do ask your parents for permission to come with us on this trip. Now he has finished writing the content, right? Then he started the closing phrase. Mother was also asking about you the other day. She has asked me to send her best wishes to you. I'm eagerly waiting for a positive response from you. Your affectionately, Raghav. So he's the one who is inviting his friend Amit, right? So this was a very simple letter, that is informal letter. This was an example. I hope you all have understood. This is very simple, nothing to worry about this. You don't have to go in detail. Just you should, the letter should be very crisp and short. Okay, and yes. So this is how you write a letter. Now let's just, yes, review whatever we have learned. First of all, what do we write? We write your address, that is sender's address. Then we write date. Then we write greetings like dear Priyanka, dear Amit, like that. Then we write the content, that is the body of the letter. At the last, we write the closing phrase like your dear friend, your dear mother, like that. And the last, you will write, what will you write? Your name. Okay, so that was the format of a informal letter. So students, I want you all to do this as your homework. Write a letter to your friend to invite him her on your birthday. This is the most simple one. You have to invite your friend. It could be her or him, okay? And you have to invite him or her to your birthday. So this is your homework. I hope you all will write this and kindly send this in our English homework group after completing this, okay? And do check your spellings, revise it once again, then send, right? I hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye and have a nice day.